Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook garlic butter eggs with cabbage. Okay, so mauni atong these are all the ingredients. We need black pepper, salt, eggs, cabbage, garlic, butter, onions, tomatoes, spring onion. Okay, I'm gonna add the butter. And then the garlic. This one is very quick only. Okay. So, saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then the tomatoes. And then the spring onions also. Smells good. And then guys, we're gonna add I put a little salt of this egg guys, and a little bit ginger, but that's all. I'm gonna add the cabbage. Try the eggs. Okay guys, I'm gonna add black pepper. And then guys, just a little salt because I already put salt. Super yummy guys. Okay guys, that's our garlic butter eggs with cabbage. Okay. It's tasting time. Eggs with bacon, with cabbage. Garlic butter, eggs with cabbage. Okay? It's done. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. To my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.